Hi, this is Renee Fiorelli. I'm president of Peterson Service Co. We're a commercial HVAC and building controls contractor located in New Jersey and serving New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. I would describe Synergy as a first-class HVAC peer group. Our member contractors get together and share best practices as well as participate in great educational opportunities, all with the goal of growing and expanding our organizations. Synergy has helped me in my role by elevating my employees that participate in the various forums and educational events. They return from the events with such great ideas that help grow our organization and help it thrive. What really makes Synergy stand out, in my opinion, is the territories and the fact that we don't compete with each other. So that really lets us dive in deeper with our fellow contractors and share some of our best practices.